It was published in the newspapers. We applied and we went for the interview, and we were picked. 4 of us were picked to be trainers. So it means people from Yale will come and train us, and so that we will also train preschool teachers. That was what we were doing at Institute. At AFC, the picture is just like what she has already said: globalization and neoliberalism. The African couple, they employed us. We were given on-the-job training. Whilst the teachers from Yale were training us, we were at the same time working. We were also teaching. They trained us for 1.5 years. But what happened there was our salaries were not paid on time. Sometimes a month will end, nobody will